Apfel Doctor Germany, my name is Ben, good morning and welcome to the micro soldering show. Because I love micro soldering, you can get these shirts at der-apfeldoktor.de. Okay, so let's start away with this iPhone 7. It came in with a water damage and it's a data rescue job. The customer urgently needs the important data on the phone. I have worked on my camera system thanks to Marco Reiber, who took his time. He don't has much time, but he took the time and just worked out a little workaround to get a better image quality on that DFK 33U, because it's really good and expensive camera, and it can't be that the image under the microscope is so bad. So I hope in this video you see it's looking better now. Okay, I just disassemble this phone and we check how it looks like. Okay, so you see that water all over the phone. Great. So we just use a wipe to clean, and then we take a screwdriver to get out the screws and directly disconnect the battery, and then we have a look if we got a short or not. Okay, but before we do that, we disconnect all the components, because you see there's water all over the phone, and we don't like water in the phone and water on the components. We just don't want to have that. So just get out the screws. Andy motherfucker, what are you doing? The whole day Andy's sitting here and just singing things like Dab, dab, Johnny, dab, dab, because he was the whole weekend he was drinking alcohol at a party, and I think he didn't realize that he's at work now. He just didn't realize. Okay, that's Andy motherfucker. Pretty motherfucker Andy. So, just quit the program on the Mac here. Don't like to see mails on the Mac. Within the next week I will get out the Mac here. I love my MacBook and I got it in a hand stock and connected to the screen next beside to my Windows screen, but I need more space on the Windows screen, so I will expand the monitoring at the screen so I see more, and I will only use Windows at work. I don't like it, but for broadcasting and using ZXW and things like that, it's necessary for me to use Windows. Okay, just get out all the screws, all the cables, and right after that we can just check. Okay, we see water again here. Oh, it's pee. Poor man, what does the customer wrote? Yeah, it was this is no water, man. This is ugly shit. Man, I just don't like things like that. But okay, there are many people in the world. They piss over each other. So what should I say? I don't like it. I really don't like it. And I know if I use the hot air now to just lose the stickers, it will smell terrible. So I just want to get this job done fast and then wash my hands and drink a beer, because this was really a shock. David, do you have a look? Ah, okay. Okay, I see some corrosion here, but we will have a look under the microscope. Whoa, it's really it smells so terrible. I don't have here, take a nose, Andy. It's no cocaine. It's just pee. I don't like it, really. That's really okay, let's have a look. What do we see here? And you see, the image looks much better, I think. Okay, do you see the corrosion here at this area? At this area, the P was exactly. So, I don't want to see. It's a P damage. And here we see corrosion. My hands smelling so ugly. But okay, let's take a look under the thermal to see where the short is, and then get it done fast. Get it done fast. Okay, I just need my power supply and my iPower adapter and a gas mask and a cable, and then just having a look where the short is. Yeah, and here we got it. So it will be a fast job. You see that? Directly on the point. So I'm not a friend by solving things like that at what damages with the short killer. Why? Because when I got too much corrosion here, could be a trace damage after, and I don't like that. So I just get out the broken cap and check again if the short has gone. So we have a low short 5 milliamps, but that's unnecessary because we just want to have a boot here. And I think this could be a boot. So I need a test screen iPhone 7, Andy. Can you please give it to me? A test screen iPhone 7. With home button is no problem. Without, no problem. Thanks. So it was just a little cap. So I think yesterday we got iPhone 8 board swap video. Today we got how to kick out a corroded capacitor by P within a second. So we just boot up the device. I asked David several times, and boom! And boom, we are back to life again. Only one cap knocked off the board, and we are back. And you see, things like that are really fast jobs. You can do fast money on that. But we have other jobs, and we earn exactly the same amount as we earn here, but we have to do a lot more of work. Okay, so you see, it's working fine again. Just one cap knocked off the board, and the phone is working fine again. You see the search button over here. This is related to the corrosion under the baseband PMU and around the PMU, and now you see the triangle of death is coming. I could fix that now, but this phone has a water damage, so I don't fix it. I just do a data rescue job, because when I fix it now and give it back to the customer and it works, and after 4 weeks the next problem comes with that phone because of the water damage, I don't like to have that. And I have to change the screen because there was water all over here. Perhaps the Touch ID has a problem too, and I see that P all over the earpiece. Okay, so I have to change that too, and I don't like to do that. So it's not gone off. I just didn't have the right Touch ID connected here, so the phone is working. I started again, so you can see. So I just started again, and you will see it's working, so it's fine. The customer will get the data on Google Drive, and as complete iTunes backup can just put it to another phone. It's no problem at all. But like I said, don't repair damages like that, because the customer won't thank it. He will come back after a few weeks and have other problems, and when I calculate the price for a new screen, new earpiece, new earpiece flex, repair of the corroding on baseband PMU, renew the capacitors in this area where I just knocked off the cap. So when I see all that, the customer can buy a new device for that amount of money. So that doesn't make any sense. Only daily rescue job, and all are really happy. Okay? If you want to learn things like that, you can easily do that at the Borderline Repair School Germany. If you are working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can easily join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I'm out. We see you with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Yours, Ben.